This video will focus on the Unit 2 review worksheet numbers 10 through 12. Number 10, it asks you to find the sum of 4x plus 9 plus negative 3x minus 5. Keep in mind, if you're going to be combining like terms, you want to start by adding the opposite. So you can see that I rewrote negative 3x minus 5 as negative 3x plus negative 5. Once everything's addition, I can drop off those parentheses and move my like terms side by side. So I've got my 4x and my negative 3x side by side, my constants 9 and negative 5 side by side. So now we use our calculators. 4 plus negative 3 is 1x. 9 plus negative 5 is 4. So my final solution is either 1x plus 4 or just x plus 4. You can write it either way. In number 11, we're finding a difference, which means we're subtracting linear expressions. So you'll notice the very first thing I did here was I added the opposite in this first set of parentheses. So negative 8x minus 3 became negative 8x plus negative 3. That's step 1. Step 2 for subtracting linear expressions is to change your subtraction between the expressions to addition. And then step 3, which we do in the same step, is to change each term in the second set of parentheses to its opposite. So we're doing one big add the opposite here. Negative 3x becomes positive 3x, positive 7 becomes negative 7. Now put your like terms side by side. So that's of course going to be our negative 8x and our 3x, and our constants negative 3 and negative 7. Negative 8 plus 3 for my x's is going to get us negative 5x. Negative 3 plus negative 7 is negative 10. If this is a multiple choice question, you might see the answer written as negative 5x minus 10, which is equivalent to negative 5x plus negative 10. Both are the same and both would be acceptable. Let's look at number 12. Write an expression in simplest form for the perimeter of the triangle below. Perimeter basically means we're just going to add all the side lengths together in any order here. So I started with this slant on the left, and I wrote 6x plus 1.9 plus 4x plus negative 8.5 plus 5.8x plus 4. And then I put my like terms, my x's side by side. So 6x, 4x, and 5.8x, and my constants side by side, 1.9, negative 8.5, and 4. So definitely want to use your calculators just to double check your math here. But 6 plus 4 plus 5.8 gets you 15.8. 1.9 plus negative 8.5 plus 4 gets you negative 2.6. Like number 11 above, you might see the solution written as 15.8x minus 2.6, and that's okay too. A lot of you on your mid-unit quiz solutions, we're trying to combine everything together. Remember, you can combine x's with x's and constants with constants, but you can't add all of the things together. I saw a lot of students adding 6x and 1.9 and getting 7.9x and subtracting these to get us something times x and adding these to get something times x and then combining them all together. That's not going to work. So be really careful with problems like this.